Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share within and outside your circle, comment in the comment section. Guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the unboxing of the Creative Blueprint Masterclass goodie bags that we got. If you've not seen the vlog, I have uploaded it on my channel already. You guys should go check it out. It was packed. It was packed. Auntie Funke Akindele did a thing. She did a thing and it was amazing. Guys, go check it out. So in this video, we're going to be doing the unboxing. Let's get into it. So guys, the first thing I'm going to unbox is this Dano goodie bag. Guys, this was so amazing. So the first thing inside is the Dano liquid milk, so the full cream liquid milk. So that's what is in it right here. I'm going to add it to my provision item because I actually love milk. And then the next thing we have is the cheese, the pork cheese. Guys, this is amazing as well. So the pork cheese, and then the final thing in this goodie bag is the pork cream cheese. Guys, this is amazing as well. I love it. And that's what was in the Arla Dano goodie bag. This is what it is. And then I'm going to move on to the amazing Creative Blueprint goodie bag that Auntie Funke Akindele gave to us. Guys, this is what it is. It says the Creative Blueprint, a masterclass by Funke Akindele, you know, with goals, strategy, objectives written on it, around it. So I'm going to show you guys what is inside. Now, the first thing we have here is this that looks like a notepad. But guys, this is not a notepad. This is an amazing goals-oriented journal. I'm going to call it a journal because it's actually a journal. So this is what it looks like. It says the Creative Blueprint by Funke Akindele, a journey of self-discovery for goal-driven creatives. Guys, this was amazing. This was so intentional and it had a welcome speech written on it when you open it. So I'm going to read it out for you guys to hear. So the welcome speech says, "Welcome, I am so glad you are here. Whether you're joining the Creative Blueprint to reflect, grow, or take the next step towards your goals, this is your space to explore, dream, and create. This journey is about you, your strengths, your passions, your values, and your vision for the future. It's about uncovering what truly matters to you and taking actionable steps to make it happen. Along the way, you would have the opportunity to reflect on what inspires and motivates you, identify challenges and brainstorm solutions, build confidence and resilience, connect with your goals in a meaningful way. Remember, it may not come easy, but your dreams are possible. You'll make mistakes, but don't let them define you. Learn from them and stay on the grind. You are not alone in this journey. The Creative Blueprint team is here to support you every step of the way. Let's take this first step together and create something amazing. Here's to your growth, your dreams, and the incredible potential within you. Let's get started." Funke Akindele. Guys, this amazing notepad is everything anyone would want to have. Like, this is an amazing journal. I've always wanted to have like a real journal, like a daily journal, a journal where I can, you know, pour out what I'm feeling, everything based on like what, you know, is written in the journal basically. And this journal actually encompasses every single bit of it. I'm so happy to be a part of the first set of creatives that are actually benefiting from the Creative Blueprint Masterclass by Auntie Funke, and I'm so excited. It's so funny that I also won a journal. I write to God about my business journal from Heinike on Instagram, and everything just aligns. Like the way God works, he works in mysterious ways. Basically, he works in mysterious ways, and I can't wait to, you know, use these books hand in hand and, you know, at the end of the year, look back at what I've written in it and see my goals, you know, coming to fruition. And I'm so excited. And can you guys see they are both actually purple? God is just wonderful. God is so, so wonderful. It's so wonderful. He works in mysterious ways. Now, the next thing we have here is the flask. It's a temperature flask. So you can check the temperature of it. And this is what it looks like on the inside. And can you guys see? This is the temperature right here. Guys, this is amazing. And the next thing we have here is the pen. This is actually a pen. It's not biro. It's not biro at all. It's a real pen. So I'm just going to use it to write down my name, and this is amazing. It felt good using it and using it to write my name on my amazing masterclass journal. Now the next thing in here is mini me chin chin. I love mini me chin chin. So this is mini me chin chin. And then we have Kellogg's Go Grains. Then we have Indomie noodles. So amazing as well. Then we have more mini me chin chin and more mini me chin chin and more Indomie noodles. It's amazing. And then we have this amazing phone holder. It says accelerate action. It was given to us at the registration desk basically. So it had Civic Center as well written on it. So Civic Center also, put their mark on this event as well. So everybody, came out and showed out basically for Auntie Funke, and it's amazing. And then we have the beautiful purple tote bag. It's actually really amazing. So these are the things that were in the Dano and Creative Blueprints Masterclass goodie bags. And then we're going to move to the amazing gift I won. I won a Stanley Cup. Finding Me Stanley Cup. Emphasis on finding me. Oh, finding me. Guys, if you've not seen the movie, Finding Me is on Prime right now. So go check it out. It's an amazing movie. It's amazing. You would learn from it. You would cry, you would laugh. It gives all the emotions. So this is my Stanley Cup, my very own Stanley Cup. It has a silicone straw. I think I'm going to use YouTube to check what exactly this particular type of straw is for. And then we have the metal straw. I'm actually happy that it's a metal straw. And then we have the cover right here. So you have a place where you can, suck the water from if you don't want to use the straw as well. So this is what it is, guys. This is amazing. This is amazing. Thank you, Auntie Funke, for this amazing gift. Even the battle to even get the gift was even crazy. So they were the first set of people to bring a makeup brush and powder should run out. And then Temitayo gave me her makeup brush and powder. I was so happy. So I ran to the front and I got my own Stanley Cup. And then I won a Migo Mobile Smart Watch. Guys, some people won phones. 10 phones were given out. Some people want phones, but I didn't win the phone. But I was like, God, if I don't win a phone, I want to win a smartwatch. And because they gave smartwatches, phones, earbuds, I was like, God, I don't want earbuds. Please, I want this smartwatch. And there were 2 different, I think, smartwatches that they were giving out. I was like, God, I want this one, this particular one. As God would have it, my number was called, number 47. And I was like, God, this is you. It's so funny that 7 is my lucky number. Everybody that knows me knows number 7 is my number, is my lucky number. I was born on 7/7, July 7. And 7 has always resonated with me. It has always worked for me. And, number 47 was called, and I won this smartwatch. So we're going to unbox it together. And fun fact, this is the first time I'm having a smartwatch that actually fits my wrist. Every other one I'm always seeing, the holes are always, too far off from my wrist. So they're always loose. This one actually fits me so well. So this is what it looks like. It has so many features, so many features. And guys, this is what it looks like. It has the strap. This strap fits like a glove. Then it has the charger. It has the manual. And then we have the watch itself. Guys, it's so amazing, so beautiful. Now I'm going to fix the strap. I had to fix it off camera because this one was just giving me wahala. So I had to just fix it off camera. And then this is the second strap. This one actually worked on camera. So this is me wearing it, and guys, it fits me like a glove. When I was filming this, I was like, wow, wow, wow. That's the only thing I was just saying. Wow, 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 because it fits me so well. So I'm just going to remove it right here so I can show you guys what it looks like. So these are the amazing things I got from the Creative Blueprints Masterclass hosted by Auntie Funke Akindele. Guys, I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. Grateful is the word for, this event, for this year, for everything that has been happening to me. And I'm just so grateful. I'm grateful to God. And guys, that's all I have for this video. If you've not seen the vlog, I'm going to link it in the description box so that you guys can go check it out. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share within and outside your circle, comment in the comment section. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.